In previous videos, we learned how to create new pages, create new posts, and also how to write. But in this video, we're gonna make it more alive by adding media to your blog posts. So I'm gonna create here new post with media, and I open it here, open Sidebeat, and then open in full page. And as I said earlier, here you write, so hello world, I've got some media for you. Smiley face. So I've have these tabs open. One is Pixabay. I love Pixabay. You can get public domain images. Here, images that you can use completely free. And I typed in nature. This is a beautiful one, right? It's free download, completely free. And I would like to encourage you to download the highest quality possible, right? This is like a huge image, 2.1 megabytes, top quality, but the users will get a compressed version of that. Yeah. So I don't want you to be shy and be like, oh, let's download a small file so the user doesn't, like, especially people on mobile, so they don't have to download huge file sizes. No, we do that for you. We will compress the image so that people with a bad internet connection on their mobile phones can still access your website. And if internet speed across the whole world, let's say, gets faster, and there's a new recommendation where people are saying, well, we used to recommend like only upload 500 kilobytes, but now the recommendation is you can upload 1 megabyte file size videos. Then we're gonna adjust how we build the site, so we actually use more of that quality. But even the compressed version actually has very good quality, right? So I downloaded this already, right? And I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna say image, and I can say upload file, and I have it here, flowers. By the way, I'm gonna rename that, and the reason why I'm renaming it is we generate the alt tag out of the file name, right? And that's very important for SEO. So I want to encourage you to name your files to something meaningful, so that when the search engines crawl your website, they know its quality. So it just says flowers, but I can say flowers, meadow. It doesn't have to be grammatically correct. It just has to be what you see, especially for people with screen readers, with a bright sun, right? So for example, people with screen readers, or search engine that tries to figure out what's going on your web page, the more verbose you can make it, or the more meaningful you can make this, the better. So I renamed it to this, and now I'm going to say open to upload, and it's going to upload. And now you also see it in your editor, right? So here is a nice image of a meadow, right? So now when you're editing your posts and you're writing, you can just like add images in there right away, right? You can add more, like for example, I went on giphy.com and I typed in freedom, and I got this GIF of what? Yeah, now it's moving. Yeah. So that's a nice GIF, and then I'm gonna say share and copy GIF link. And actually should happen even automatically here. So I'm gonna go down a bit, and I posted the link in there. Like I say copy GIF. Now it was on my clipboard. Then I click paste. Yeah, Command V or Control V, depending on your operating system. And it already says either I can just leave it like this, and then I would say dismiss, or I could say embed image or create bookmark. I'm gonna say embed image, and voila, here is the GIF on the post, right? So here is Mel Gibson shouting freedom, right? So I have that in my post. And let's say I also wanna, I want to relax with a relaxing music video, right? So I can also embed videos, right? So I just looked on YouTube for relaxing, yeah, some deep relaxing sleep music. And also gonna just say, maybe I use the right click now. Right click, paste, yeah, and then I'm gonna say embed video. And I will have that video embedded on my post. And I would like you to just play around with this feature, right? So there's even more that you can do, right? So here's the video. You can also have a Vimeo video or like some other platform. And you can also play around here with embed for PDFs, Google Maps, and more, right? So just play around with it. Just provide an embed link, and then you can create that. Or image, by the way, image. You can upload an image. You can also embed an image. You don't have to upload the whole image. If you find the image somewhere and you just want to paste the image link, you can do that as well. I'm going to delete these because actually I didn't choose anything for them. And then video, embed from YouTube, Vimeo, and more. So also just paste your link in there. And yeah, so it's you can just add a lot of liveliness, a lot of media to your post content, and that will make people that much more eager to read what you write as you churn out all this content and share your message and your vision and your mission with the world. So yeah, I think it looks beautiful. Obviously, we need a little bit more text, not just the media, but yeah, so for now, that's how you add media to your posts.